The Daily Herald recently gave a thumbs down to opponents of Proposition 5 for inflating numbers and misleading voters. With so much misinformation being spread, let's remember a couple of simple facts when casting our votes. A vote for Proposition 5 allows the project UVU wants built. The opposition may think they know better than the university, but remember, UVU asked for this project on this site and believes it will be tremendously beneficial for its students.
We do support the development of student housing for two discrete areas immediately adjacent to the eastern side of our main campus. With long study and much community input, these are being designed to minimize vehicular traffic by redirecting it away from residential areas and dramatically increasing walkable student access to our campus.
Orem City and the City Council spent 18 months studying and refining this project prior to its approval. During that time, major questions regarding traffic and parking were answered. You are not alone in your support. Remember the list of people who have endorsed this project because they believe it will be great for Orem. Support UVU by voting for Proposition 5.